Work. That's all I ever do though.
Okay, I'm putting in that time and they ain't even listen yet. I'm schooling these boys and they trying to be the teacher's pet. I am so high and I ain't even hit the reefer yet. I'm talking so high, like I'm on Wiz Khalifa jet. That's not a weed metaphor. Now watch as my troops deploy, going to the mall and buy every single fucking store. This is the same dreams I had as a little boy, so I'ma take this Mary Jane and Blazer, no Brandon Roy. I'm not backing down, even though I go hard in the paint. I'm still making masterpieces when I draw the blank. Shit, these niggas stupid, and then I'm getting reckless. You ain't a rapper, so take off the fucking necklace. Check it, bet you haven't heard me in a long time. This is my job, and my nigga, I'm always on time. You offline, trying to get connected to the movement. Got two choices, join or just move it, bitch. I've been working too hard to even take a break. I'm going all in, like I'm playing for high stakes. I'm trying to flip the money like hotcakes. Got people looking up to me like I'm 7 foot and they 5'8".
Let me show you hard work, nigga. You can bet on me, poker table. Cause you know one day I have a major label. So until then, fuck all you hating niggas.
My life's a movie, yours is a couple pictures. After a couple swishes, I see things vividly. I may be underground, but I know you still digging me. Niggas say they doing numbers, I guess I'm infinity. So keep these number niggas away from me like I'm in parentheses. Now this is what I'm meant to be, connected like Xfinity. I chill with the same niggas, so how am I acting differently? Don't you get it, motherfucker, I am staying real. And I bet a mill I'll be the same with a deal. Shit, I never be the type to ever bite my tongue. I'm at the finish line of my dreams, now watch me lunge. I ate your rappers for lunch, I ate your girl for brunch. Trash so many niggas that my flow is a dope. Niggas say they got hits but don't know how to punch. Intoxicating punchlines like I spiked with the punch. Nigga, I'll be at the top for a minute. This is only beginning, just wait till I finish.
Keep it rolling, nigga. Show you how hard I really fucking work, nigga. If you ain't listening, then you better tune in.
Cause this is my shot, nigga, like I just zoomed in. I own the game, now I'm about to move in. Proving y'all American Idol studied no Ruben. Who sent me to kill all of these rap rappers? Wrote that book, and you in the first chapter. So let me read the story each and every page. Well, getting paid with my crooked ways, y'all niggas ain't getting safe. So unlock like the fucking safe, now tell them I'm behind my bars like a felon. My music's cracking dope, so this is what I dealt to me. The bars are so hard I had to melt them and make a flow. Bitch, I'm hot, you already know. You think I just got off the stove? If I hit the road, nigga, then it's time to roll. So adios, or vamonos.